So Aiden says he knows how to solve this cube, right?
Yes.
So I'm gonna super scramble it, super scramble it, super scramble
We
it.
want to turn it so roughly, because then it can pop out.
Okay, sorry. Okay, here you go. I want to see you. No, let me. You gotta wait though. We gotta check your time.
Come
over here.
My
You ready?
fastest time, I don't remember it.
Okay. Well, let's see if you can solve it. On your mark. Are you ready?
Yes, I
When
already
no,
started.
not yet, not yet, not yet. Let me
Sorry.
scramble it again. All right. On your mark. Ready? Go.
Uh,
So we started at 30 seconds. Ten seconds in.
Should be aiming at. Aim at that. The decal. Aim at.
Wow. I didn't know you know how to solve this cube. What is this cube called, Aiden?
Pyraminx.
Oh, Pyraminx. Okay. You've got 20 seconds in. Almost 30 seconds in.
Done.
30 seconds solve?
Yes, Mom.
Wow! High five! Good job, sweet boy.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.